Hello everyone, welcome to the Squally game hacking series. In this video, I'll be covering the stage 2 of memory editing section. In the previous video, we had covered the first stage, so let's jump into the second stage now. So, like the previous stage, we have an enemy here, our characters, a lever, and a cannon. So, what's different in this stage than the previous one is in the previous stage, the health value of the enemy was integer, but in this stage, the health value of enemy is in float. So we need to search some memory addresses which contains 100.0 initially. So let's search it. So I'm gonna go with 100 and choose value type as float and perform the first scan. Okay, we got a lot of addresses which contains 100 as their initial value or the current value. So let's deal some damage to the enemy. Press V. Okay, it got some damage, and now the health value is 86.6. So let's search it. 86.6 compared to the first scan. Next scan. Okay, we got the address for health, and if we make it 0, the enemy should die, but before we need to check if that's the address for health. Yeah, as it decreases, so it's the address for health. So now make it 0 to complete our stage. Ta-da! Our enemy is gone. So that was quite easy, just like the previous one. So I'll be coming back with the third stage in my next video. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.